Today's outdoor cooking, the number one objective is to get your popcorn cooking. Captain, you're in charge of safety, number one. The number two person, you're in charge of getting the fire starting gear. You will get the Tommy cooker, put one solid fuel on top, one tongs. Number three, this one is the toughest one, not say toughest but highest responsibility. You will take the mess tin and then you tear out a foil which is a bit bigger. Why? Because the foil must fit nicely inside, so keep it away from the fire. Not too big. If it's too big, you fold a bit, but don't let it reach the fire. Now, it's called popcorn. It means it must pop. When it pops, one corn becomes much bigger. So there must be space for the popcorn to pop, which means please have some air space. Try and cover up all the holes because it lets the heat escape, so no holes. Okay, popcorn needs something. What does it need? Butter. One group, one butter container. How you spread? Each group take one set of chopsticks. Okay, you can use a chopstick to melt, spread the butter. I leave it to you. Okay, then I let you explore. Finish number 4 person is to wash the mess tin, scrub it, try and make it as clean as you can get it. Solid fuel, the photo says 2. I think 1 is enough. You learned last year solid fuel. Can you put your face nearby? Okay, it's going to be a bit poisonous, so please don't go and breathe. Once the fire starts, it should run. Each solid fuel should last about 8 minutes. So do not start the fire first. Why? If the person is still making the popcorn, still preparing the thing, and your fire has started, you only got 8 minutes. Then you will not have enough time to cook. I'll let you explore and make mistakes, a couple mistakes yourself. It's okay. We work fast. We are able to have a second chance if you don't make the first chance. 50% of the corn popping to me is success. Okay? All tao black popcorn, burnt popcorn, don't eat, it's not safe. So that's why I give you a second chance if there's time to make a second round. I will be the one distributing the popcorn, or one of the teachers will help distribute the popcorn, about 100 popcorns. If about 50 pop, I think you're okay. When you start hearing the pop, you just start counting. Okay? Then you think it's too long, it may all be burnt. I leave you for you to explore. The cones are to separate you from each other so that you don't go so close. Any questions?